Hey guys, so I debated making this a new tool Tuesday, but it's not really a new tool. At least I wouldn't necessarily call it a new tool. Where is my knife? I am unprepared for this. Anyway, I've got this new Bhyve Orbit 4 station. I thought about getting the 8 station, but I'm only using currently 2. I have 3 stations in the ground. But I only use 2 because one of them's going over a major renovation. So I don't think I'll ever need any more than 4. If I do, we'll go from there. But I wanted to just kind of show the unboxing and the install. Wow, it's a lot littler than I expected. So this is going to allow me to control my sprinklers from anywhere in the world via Wi-Fi on my phone. I've read some bad reviews about it, so I'm a little apprehensive. I've read bad reviews about the connectivity problems, and to be honest, my Bluetooth Bhyve timer I've had connectivity problems with, but I purchased the Bhyve Wi-Fi hub. And since I did that, I haven't really had any problems with it. So my intent is, I don't have the sensor now. They didn't have one, but my intent is to buy the sensor and install that as well. But for now, we're just going to get this installed in the place of, let me disconnect you guys here, in the place of this old Orbit timer. This timer's worked very well, but I kind of much rather have the Wi-Fi one, so I can control it from anywhere. So let me get you guys set up and we'll get to that. So this should be a fairly cut and dry process. Just basically unbolt the old one and bolt in the new one, or unscrew, I guess I should say. I got to disconnect all the timer wires, and that should be it. I got my screwdriver right here because I just literally yesterday fixed my irrigation system. It's been broken for a couple years, and I just fixed it yesterday. So, okay, so we got the COM. Yellow is station 1, green is station 2. Can you guys remember that? So that's that, and then we should, let's pop the batteries out here. Ah, there they are. Okay, behind the batteries are the screws. This is not the right screwdriver, but I think it will work. Yes, it will indeed. I wonder if I can use the same screw holes to install the new timer. What are the chances, right? I mean, I'm gonna try it. Now we got the new timer. No, of course Orbit can't make something the same as their old stuff. So where's my screwdriver? Right here. I'm going to make an effort to not drill anything, to not have to go out to the truck and grab my screw gun. I'm going to use one of the existing holes to just get that in there, and then I'm going to try to just force the new one. Just force the issue. It's just an old 2x4 back here behind the metal, so it shouldn't be really that big of a deal. No, it's not. It's going right in there. Probably splitting the crap out of the 2x4 from the sounds of it. Yes, indeed. That's okay, though. I don't care about the 2x4. Where did my plug go? There is my plug. Oh, look at that. They gave me, it came with all the mounting stuff. It came with a little screwdriver. I do believe I will use that. Thank you, Orbit. Let's get this old one out of here for good. I am not going to get rid of the old one because there's still, well, I would say there's nothing wrong with it, but it didn't turn on this morning. So there could be something wrong with it. I don't believe there is, but there could be. So we're just going to, okay, our comm is, all our stuff is a little bit backwards on this new one. We'll get this bad boy hooked up. Oh, the lines barely reach it, but they do reach it. There we go. I don't like this little screwdriver. Where's my big one? Okay, so station 1 was the yellow, remember? And station 2 was the green. Like I said, I've got a third station, but it's not hooked up right now. Come on, I can't see nothing in there. Get in your home. There you go. Tighten that one down. No, it didn't tighten down. What's going on? What in the world is going on here? Okay, I gotta get down there and look at it because it's not tightening down. The other ones did. What's wrong with the one? Oh, there we go. All right, it's tightened down. Oop, I bumped you guys, sorry. Now we'll get the adapter hooked up. Get some power to this bad boy. It's a 24 volt in. This should be fairly painless. That one's in. That one's in. Now we're going to plug it in and see what happens. Hope for the best. Oh, the little bee lit up. And a little thing is circling around, so now I've got to get on the phone, get on the app, and get it connected. We'll be back once that happens. Alright guys, so my battery's running dead and there's not much to show. I got to play with it a little bit, but I do have it set up. And I tested. I've got zones 1 and 2, front and back. I need to take a picture of them still. I've got the program set up, A and B. Front is A, back is B. So yeah, I still have to play with it a little bit. I do see that now my calendar actually has something on it. Oh, it's just telling me. See, I need to get the whatchamacallits, the sensors and stuff. But anyway, I'm gonna play with this a little bit. I'm just gonna go ahead and upload this. As you saw, it was very simple to install. It was a little tricky to get set up. I think it's mainly because I haven't played with this software in a long time. Otherwise, I think it, you know, I'm just not as familiar with the software as I was. So anyway, that's going to be the Orbit Bhyve 4-station smart Wi-Fi sprinkler controller. I'm pretty excited to see how this works.